Jasmine?
Yeah.
Ah,
The
okay. Ah, for the teacher, not for you.
No. She said this one.
For the school? For the school, that one? On mo yan, on mo. Yay! We are here in the elevator. Hello! Oh, say, very nice. Huh? Oh. Wow. Oh, it's nice. Huh? Oh, we have a selfie here inside. Wow, you can do that. Sila nag-go. Yun. What inside the amazing? For the school? For the school?
No, this one is for the school.
Oh, okay.
And this one
for
is
you. For you, for drawing or for play?
for drawing.
Okay. You na close the door, please. Yun na. I bring that one, what's that later? When I finish, nag-ano pa tayo ng nag-ano pa kami ng namin, laundry. One more. Nag-ano pa kami ng laundry. Ayan daw po the school. Ayan. Fleur. And this one is my salawat. Wow! Macy. Very nice, Macy. Wow! Very nice. Drawing?
Yeah.
Wow! Ayan o. Creature.
this
Wow!
one.
Fantasy. Wow! Very cute. She has new na naman. Collection. That is CC Life. Okay, so I have my own. Look, my small sala. Ganun lang kasimple yung namin. Simple. Yung namin dito sa sala. Oh. Ayan yung flower. Oh. Ayan, libre na yan. Oh. Libre flower base. Dapat yung yung handbag like the purple ba yun? Ewan ko purple ba yun o green. O ayan o. Ganda yung decoration nila sa. O. Ayan, decoration ng ganda. O. So tayo na kaya no. O, ganun buhay pa rin yan. Yan yung bagong tanim. Bagong tanim na siya. Ay, naku. At yung nangyari ng tanim. Kasi ang sabi ko, dapat ikat lang yung ikat lang yung parang na-dry siya, parang humina, kumbaga. Hindi pa yung ganito, itina-transfer kasi yung base, tina-transfer, kaya ayun ang nagiging resulta. Instead ang ka-healthy, green pa yan. Ang sabi ko, sana, ay tanong kay amo yung talaga sa mga anong tawag yun, yung plants, talaga sila, skill nila sa mga tanim mo. Na kung pwede, ikat lang sana yun, ikat lang yung nagiging ganito na puno. Tina-transfer, oh, look what happened daw, I don't know if it's still alive in how many months, I don't think so. Kasi nga, na-touch na yata yung mga roots. At saka, na-transfer nga, ayan bago na yung base niya. Kaya ganito ang nagiging resulta tuloy. Kawawa naman yun. Almost 2 years na din to. Kasi pag-transfer namin dito, halos kasabay na to. Na regalo from the family. Ayan. Kaso, ayan nangyari. Okay, Yela, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. Yan yung weather namin. Okay naman din yung weather namin. Mainit, medyo warm at maaga. Okay? So, thank you for everything that you are giving to support. Thank you talaga for the whole families of my angkan to angkan, mga some vloggers that you are already in the high standard in your own vlogger, in your own channel, and us that we are the beginning. Good luck na lang, go lang, and some of them also that they're still helping in my channel, that what I have, viewers, subscriber, supporters, even you are not supporters, viewers, and subscriber, at least that sometimes I wish that you are watching and you are noticed of my old videos of my live that I have. You take a comment and share. So thank you very much talaga. And thank you for the YouTube company, the staff, the workers, that I wish that we are one of, to become a one team, including to be member or like member or small YouTuber like that one. Future, someday and somehow. Okay, so thank you very much. And some blogger talaga that they are still continue helping to me. Even you are active or not active, the channel you have, your own channel, and where you are, even we are not knowing each other, because all of us, we are belong in the different countries and we're different, not same nationalities for everything. Okay, we are just connected in the social media, in the different social media that what they have. Thank you so much, and good luck, Sisi. And the opening start already for the school, college, high school, secondary, nursery, and etc. And to my Sisi. And to good luck for the own opening business that you have. Good luck, madam. Good luck, sir. Good luck to the friends, all the friends of Madam and Sir, and their the family of Madam and Sir, and more blessings and guide provided everything, not only us, kumbaga to all people, that what you have, what we have, what kind of blessings that we are given to God for us, because all of us is for God given with us. Okay, so thank you, and bye. God bless us all.